woman. You know, it doesn't matter the outside, it's the inside, baby. If you're big, you're short, you're tall, you're small, you're dark, you're light, whatever it is, it's the core, it's the person. And as long as you have love in your heart and you know you are a good person deep down within, you're awesome. And Black woman, you are phenomenal. Okay, so hello. Yesterday's vlog, it went out. Make sure you check that one out. You know, it was Sunday and I had to make some good old, black-eyed peas with little vegetables in it. So these were veggie black-eyed peas. There was no meat. Usually we put smoked turkey in there, but the kids will be eating this, so we got to keep it veggie. You all, it turned out so good. It was so yummy. I also made some lamb chops, girl. Yes, I did. They was a little tough though. But anyway, so make sure you check that video out because I actually did a little drink of the month. And it's kiwi. And you all could see the strawberry. I crushed up the kiwi, crushed up the mint, and all that good stuff. So the video, the other one, shows you everything. Here, I'm just going fast because this is just a recap of yesterday's video. Okay, so I do want to say, and it does say in the other video, just make sure that it's very, very, very iced because the colder, the better. Okay, then we had to put that little key lime on there because you got to garnish it. Then I got to show y'all. But y'all, make sure you check that video out for sure. Welcome. So today's video, we have a new breakfast drink. Starbucks, ooh, they ain't got nothing on me, girl. So we got this plant-powered almond latte. Oh my goodness, you guys. You must try. Must try. I believe they have a matcha one too. Actually, they do. They have a matcha one, an almond one, a vanilla one, and then like a golden milk, something like that. So anyway, this is it. Plant-powered vanilla cold brew almond latte. And then we got that silk cold foam creamer. This is the cinnamon one, and it's good. And just, we're going to garnish it with some cinnamon. So, we just going to shake our little drink up because we had it in the refrigerator, and they do sell these at the store. Of course, we have a store here. It's called Grocery Outlet, and you get things so much less than you would at the regular grocery store. However, sometimes they don't have everything you need, but they have almost everything you need. So then I got that cold foam. I only paid $1.99, and I'm shaking and I'm shaking and I'm shaking and I'm rolling, baby. Because $1.99 is a good price for me because if you go to the regular store, this is $5.99. So that $1.99 works with my budget. It also works with my bank account. It'll work with yours too, girl. Okay, so then I sprinkled it with that cinnamon, and we just have a little cold brew shot in the morning. Oh my goodness, and it was already cold. Oh my goodness. This is a win-win. I had to look at the bottle again and say, what, say who, say huh? Who made this? Because baby, they did what they needed to do. It's really, really good. So don't forget, this is the silk cold foam creamer. And then we got that cinnamon. Because you just want to garnish it and just make it look nice. And I do give this drink a thumbs up. So then after I made me one, I was getting ready to leave, so I had to make my daughter one because she just had a baby, right? And I have to make sure that she's okay, because if she's okay and her baby's okay, I'm okay. So I made it for her, right? And I took it downstairs. And she liked it. So it's very, very, very easy to make, y'all. All you do is just pour it in a cup, literally. Make sure you ice it though, because you want it real, real good. No need to go to Starbucks, baby. I got you covered. And then this is what it looked like with that cinnamon sprinkled on top. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start our day. So how my day started was, it started at Costco. So I had to go get some gas, y'all. Hold on. Hold And that's that. $58 later, we have our gas. I noticed one of my locks fell out, the end of it. It's the shampoo I changed, y'all. But anyway, now we headed on our way over to Quick Quack Car Wash. I mean, the shampoo I used to use all the time is Dr. Bronner's, but I switched to that Head and Shoulders. But baby, I promise you, I haven't used that Head and Shoulders again. Anyway, we are here at this car wash. I'm a member. I think it's like $22. Don't matter if you remember, they always out of towels. But you know what? My car is clean. Now, people say, oh, you shouldn't wash your car at those kind of car washes. I work with my budget. I used to pay, I think it was $25 to go get my car detailed inside and out, honey. I go right through here. Let me be quiet and let this video play. Okay, guys, so we are finished washing the car. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true. My name is Opal May and this is what we doing today. So what do we do once we get that car wash? Oh, we got us some gas too. Whew. This is California, y'all. Y'all know everything's high. Gas is high, groceries is high, everything is high, right? So anyway, finished with that. And I want to do like a little Easter basket for my grandson. He's only about a month. He's a month old. So I'm trying to think of something like I can put like in a little basket. Even if I never make an Easter basket again, I just want to make one. You know, just his first one. Anyway, you all, how is your day? How is your morning? It's so beautiful here in California. It's a little warm though, I must say. And this is what, April the 14th. So I'm not ready for the summer. Are you? Anyway, y'all, if you're interested in this vlog, okay, just stay tuned. If not, you know what to do. You know what to do. Anyway, ladies, you know, I want to say, know your worth. You are of value. You're just great. You are a supreme deity. Like, don't accept anything less than what you are. Be tenacious. Be goal-oriented, be loving, be positive. There's so many things about a woman, just a beautiful black woman. You know, it doesn't matter the outside, it's the inside, baby. If you're big, you're short, you're tall, you're small, you're dark, you're light, whatever it is, it's the core, it's the person. And as long as you have love in your heart and you know you are a good person deep down within, don't listen to what nobody else says. Because we all have our flaws. We have our shortcomings. But baby, if your core is good, you're good. You can always change. You can always be better. So always remember that. You rock. You're great. You're awesome. You're wonderful. And black woman, you are phenomenal. That's it. Okay, guys, now that I went on my little, you know, just my little, like, positive speech for y'all, because I had to get it out. Woo, child, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. How you feeling, sis? Anyway, I'm here at this thrift store. It's a Weave thrift store here in Sacramento, California. It's in the Arden area, and all of the proceeds, no, 100% of the proceeds goes toward battered women and children. So we got to support. But I'm looking for a certain thing, and then I'm going to get up out of here. I'll see y'all in a minute. So now that we've arrived, I did try on a pair of shoes. They were so cute, but I walked around in them, and my pinky toe was hurting, honey, so I put them back. So then I picked out some outfits. I went in the fitting room. tried on a couple of them. They were kind of like the big baggy dresses. I love the fact that they have pockets in it. So this one, it's like a rust color, is definitely going home. It went home, and it did. So then I said, oh, let me try it with a belt. I didn't like, well, scarf. I didn't like it. It's like it makes the pockets have like, see that? So I said, but the combination with it was cute. So we are going to go beltless, of course. But like I said, 100% of the proceeds goes toward battered women and children. And this summer, I want to wear my arms out. Like I always have my arms in. I also picked up a blue one. Of course, it looks exactly like the other one. It's just a different color. They're very thin. They are linen. You can see through them, so I will be wearing some type of stretch pants or something under them. Did you know April is Sexual Assault Action Month? I did not know that until I went here today. So April is the month you wear denim. And then I did see this skirt. It's like a denim with like a yarn style. And so, yeah. Denim is 30% off today. So I think it was like $16.98, whatever it was, or $11.98. I don't remember. 30% off. I don't know where they were selling this at for $173, but baby, I would have never paid that much because that is just ridiculous. Okay, $11.98. It's a size 16, honey. It fits. Some 16s don't fit because I done put on so much weight, but that's okay, honey. You know, just going, you know, losing my sister got me eating. I'll get it together though. But anyway, I paired this up, y'all. I seen this purse for $6.98, and I was like, what can I get to go with this purse? So I got this necklace, and then with that dress. Comment down below. Tell me if it's cute because I thought it was so cute. So this is all the stuff that I ended up grabbing. I got a gray, like a smoke gray. It's very cute. It's 100% linen. And then, of course, you all know I did get the skirt. And then I picked up this doll for my grandson. Just a little doll he could have in his little bed because it's a boy doll. It looks just like him to me. Yeah, so this is all my stuff. We outside in the car, and let's go. And then I headed over to the Goodwill, which is another store, which wasn't far from the Weave thrift shop. Because I was looking for like an Easter basket because, yeah, I ended up getting this one because it said baby on it. And also she can use it to store some of his other things in. So I'll probably just take that out. But it's only $4.99. And then I stopped at World Market. I got some butterscotch. Y'all, I've been looking for butterscotch. I'm so old school. So I grabbed 3, okay? So grab some roasted garlic oyster flavored Lay's because World Market, I mean, they have all kind of stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a thumbs up. My last stop was the Dollar Tree because I wanted to get a basket, like a basket bag. And they were very slim, so now we made it home. Okay, y'all, so I made it back home. What time is it? Woo, chill. It's after 3. I've been gone for a minute. And guess what? I'm tired. But anyway, remember I was in a Goodwill earlier? I got all these t-shirts that were brand new. $1.98, some were 98 cents. Nothing wrong with them, right? So I'm gonna take off all the tags and we're gonna throw them in the washer and they'll go in a little basket for him. Because he needs those. And then the little doll that look like him, the doll just looks like him to me. And then at the Goodwill, I got 2 leather purses. One for my daughter and one for me. She just bought her a new purse. So I said, well, you could use this one as a backup so you don't mess up the other one too bad. But this one said $18.98 and it was 50% off. This one was $16.98, 50% off. So blue tags were 50% off. I got that necklace and that orange dress with this purse. I think it's just adorable because y'all know I love me some color. So that, for the Easter basket, I got him 2 books. I Utterly Love You. And then, what is it? Bunny with a big heart. Easter basket. Are y'all into Easter like you were years ago, like your mom was? My mom used to get into it when we were kids. I know a couple times. But I just wanted to have one Easter basket ever. I got a basket bag. I went to World Market. I got me some old school candy, y'all. I'll show y'all in there some old school butterscotch candy I've been looking for. I got some root beer out of Louisiana, caffeine free, made with pure Louisiana cane sugar. So we got to try this with a root beer float. But anyway, y'all, I'm home. It's hot here in Cali. It's like 80 something today, which is crazy. I'm not ready for this heat. I'm just not. No. But I think that's really going to end my video for today. That's going to conclude my video, y'all. Ain't really too much to talk about. That's just what I did today. Want to just get a little vlog out on what I did today, or if it goes up tomorrow, what I did yesterday, right? Let me show y'all my flowers. Hold on, y'all, hold on. These are the flowers I got from Trader Joe's. So I got some eucalyptus, and then this is from outside, like some greenery. I think this is like $3.99, and then the tulips were $12.99, but they look absolutely amazing, and I'm hoping that they make it to Easter. I really hope they do, but I love them. So yeah, just showed you all the flowers. So that pretty much concludes this video. I'm gonna make me something to eat. I made the black eyed peas yesterday. The day before I made like a Cajun pasta. So I'm gonna see which one I want. Probably the Cajun pasta with a little bit of garlic bread. And that's gonna be it. Hopefully you're doing good. Your day is going good. Your night, your morning, whenever you watch this. And y'all, I gotta go. It's been real. It's been fun. But your girl is done. Bye, guys.